Hi, my name is Joe. I'm the service manager here at Trivista in Louisville, Kentucky. The winter season is coming upon us, and I want to make sure we talk about some basic maintenance tips to keep your truck up and running during this winter season. First thing I want to talk about is air dryer service. Making sure that your air system is purged and completely clear of water and debris is the most important thing on your truck to keep it running. It is how you keep people safe on the road. It is important to drain your tanks every day to make sure that no water is built up in your tanks and to clear anything out of your air lines. Making sure that your air filter is replaced on it as well makes a huge difference in the health of your air system. Next thing that I'd like to talk about is battery testing and inspections. Making sure that your batteries are tested annually is very important to make sure that they are going to be up and running during these cold months. It is well worth it to have your batteries tested to make sure that they are in proper working condition before the cold season hits. And if they are not, be sure to come see us and we can help you out with that. Next thing I'd like to talk about is your fuel system. Wherever you're at in the United States, it is always important to make sure that your fuel system is in working condition. Make sure that you're getting fuel from a reliable and credible source. Making sure that you have proper fuel treatment in your system as well. If you are in Florida, it is not nearly as important to put fuel treatment in your system if you stay in Florida. If you travel anywhere in the mid-United States and north, make sure that you have fuel treatment in there to make sure that your fuel does not gel, freeze, or cause any fuel issues while you're on the road. Make sure that you are avoiding any cold soaks as well. And by cold soak, I mean if your truck's going to be sitting for a prolonged period of time, to make sure that you are starting it at least once a day. Let it run for a half hour, shut it off. This will make sure that your truck is running correctly. Make sure that your batteries are staying charged, your fluids keep moving, and that everything will keep working whenever you need your truck. You want to make sure your tires are in proper working condition as well. Making sure that your tread depth is within legal DOT requirements is a huge part of the winter months. If your tires aren't properly inflated, it could be a safety hazard to others and yourself on the road. Making sure that your tire pressure is also correct is very important. Usually going from warmer months to colder months, you have to add air into your tires just to make sure that they stay properly inflated. If you would like to learn more or schedule a service at any of our Trivista locations, please feel free to visit us at www.trivistacompanies.com.